My name is John Michael Sauer. I'm the Executive Director for the Predictive Safety Testing Consortia. I've been the Executive Director for the almost last 8 years. So welcome everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We do have a worldwide audience here, so it's really exciting. I think the reason why we're really excited is this is PSTC's 15th year anniversary. And then that's a pretty big deal, right? We've been doing this for a while. I think we had some really great successes. We're really looking forward to doing this workshop live, but of course with the pandemic, we were unable to do that. But we're going to make the best of it. And so the format that we've decided to utilize today is a virtual format, of course, and it's really truncated. And so today is really an introduction to our 15th year anniversary. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have a couple of keynote videos that we're going to go ahead and listen to by Jeff Jacobs, John Marsalis, and then a keynote presentation by Amita Parikh. We'll then dive a little bit into PSTC and talk a little bit about it. Not only how it's functioning today, but then how it functioned before and how it evolved into what it is today. And then we're also going to have a discussion around the importance of PSTC to industry as well as to regulators and our impact that we've had over the past several years. We're then going to open a panel session up and just have a brief discussion around what we talked about today and look into the future for what we're going to be talking about in a webinar series. And really, so look at this workshop really as a kickoff to our webinar series. And what we're going to be doing is over the next several months is going through different topics and really diving deeply into the science that we're doing within the Predictive Safety Testing Consortia. And so our panelists will be able to review through some of these topics, as well as be able to answer, any questions that folks have around any of the presentation material that we present today and where we're going in the future. So with that, I'd like to introduce the very first video by Jeff Jacobs. He's actually the original director of the PSTC when it was originally formed in 2006. Jeff is currently the CEO of Cancer Prevention Pharmaceuticals in Tucson. And so, Laura, if you would, please play Jeff's video.